Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We have another Temu unboxing. So let's see what we have here. It's been so long I've forgotten. Oh, okay. It looks like we have a set of popcorn pens. What is a popcorn pen, you might ask? I don't know, because it's been months since I ordered this and I forgot to unbox it. So we have a set of popcorn pens in yellow, orange, red, purple, green, and blue. So this cost $3.80 for these bubble popcorn drawing pens. They are watercolor pens. And this item was discontinued too, so I can't tell you how they work. So let me find another one. I don't know. Give me 1 second. So you guys, I have my Canson watercolor paper, and I'm using the back of it. It's not the roughest part. So let's just test one. We'll do another video on these. And one thing, you can't put the caps on the back. From now on, when I order things from Temu, I'm going to have to take a picture of my order, because I don't like that they just disappear the whole order when they're not when they're not available, because I have no idea now how to use these. I have no idea. Nothing's coming out. So yeah, this is just the unboxing anyway. And it's really sad that they take down the whole ad when they're sold out. They should just keep the ad up and say, sorry, we're sold out. Because now I have no idea how they work. These are bubble popcorn 3D pens. They were $3.80 for a set of 6. And it says item details are unavailable. Check out similar items, and I can't find any similar items right away. Yeah. When I figure out how to use these, I will come back and do a video, okay? But this is just the unboxing. So that is it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting. Bye, guys.